In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this effect inspired by the new Christopher Nolan Tenet film movie poster, so I don't know if this effect actually appears in the film. I haven't seen the film, but just the poster itself gave me this cool idea for this effect. So basically what we're going to do is I guess you could work on any clip, a city, whatever you want. But going in line with the poster, I have this stock footage of this man walking, and I want to find the vertical flip effect in the effects panel. So that's under the Transform Video Effects folder, and simply add the vertical flip onto our clip. What I'm going to do is now add a mask onto this effect in the effects control panel. So I'll add the 4-point polygon mask, and that will mask out the area that's flipped into just this masked area. So I'm simply going to move it. I suppose you could try to find the perfect center, but in my case I'm going to try to find the center of the person. And then simply click, and if you hold Shift, it'll make sure things are in a straight line. Make a straight line all the way up and down, and then extend it out to the other half of the video. And what you'll get is this cool half and half video. But I'm also going to turn the mask further down. By default, it's at 10, but I want a crisp, straight line. And now I have half of the frame upside down in half in the other way. And I suppose you could do the same thing for horizontal for a city type of shot. And I think if you even really wanted to take it to the next level, you could duplicate the clip. And instead of doing it this way, you could just have the same clip duplicated on top of each other with no effects. And on the top one, add the flip vertical, and then go to the crop effect. And then add the crop effect on there and just crop in 50% on either the left or the right, whichever one you want. That'll also achieve a perfect split in half. But as an added step, you can right-click, and the speed and duration, you can reverse the speed as well. And now not only have we flipped it, we've also reversed it. So on the right-hand side, you have things moving backwards. On the left-hand side, you have things moving forward. So just another advanced trick and alternate method to do this. But that is this cool effect inspired just by that poster. I'm not sure how much has to do with the film. I haven't seen it. If you enjoyed this video effect, gives you some creative ideas, then check out my channel for more. Subscribe to stay tuned for all my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.